This is the 2TB SanDisk SSD card, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing this SSD card. Let's get straight into the video. I'm really excited to unbox this because my PC only has 256 gigabytes of storage. Even though it's on the pricier side of $170, this SSD card has a lot of features. First, it's very portable, and you can pretty much carry it anywhere with you. It has universal compatibility with a USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and it's very fast with a 1050 megabytes per second read speed and 1000 megabytes per second write speed. It has IP55 water and dust resistance, along with a 2-meter drop resistance. Finally, it has password protection and a 256-bit AES hardware encryption. Let's unbox it. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, DM me on Instagram right here. Thank you for watching.